Welcome to Klocker app, your all-in-one staff and business management system, built for busy teams who want clarity, control, and convenience. In this video, we'll provide an overview of our powerful app, which is perfect for managing your workforce, regardless of size. Assign shifts with just a few taps. This helps your team know exactly when and where they're expected, boosting punctuality and accountability. Watch how it's done on our Klocker app YouTube channel, Creating and Assigning Shifts video. This will provide a quick walkthrough that shows you how to configure shifts and build your roster in minutes. With Klocker's built-in clocking system, your staff can check in from their phones, linked to your company Wi-Fi for location accuracy. Attendance is tracked automatically, so you can say goodbye to manual logs. Klocker streamlines payroll by creating salaries, tracking expenses, allowances, and government-mandated fees. You get accurate, compliant payroll reports, ready to process or export. Manage leave requests, employee profiles, and HR tasks, all from your mobile or desktop. Whether you're in the office or on the move, Klocker keeps your team connected and your operation smooth. That's Klocker app, smart, simple, and built for businesses like yours. Try it today and see how easy workforce management can be. Only on www.klockerapp.com. Get your free trial today.